afternoon din po, United Arab Emirates. So, before we formally start our event, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Pitcha National External Vice President, Engineer Dennis Pagod, who is with who is with us here today, and of course, Pitcha UAE President, Engineer Florencio Lopez. Good afternoon po, and other members from Pitcha UAE. I'm seeing Engineer Sani, Engineer Sani Tumambing. Hello po, and
Hello.
Engineer Jundel Pagyo, and Engineer Melody J and John Philip Rivero. Hello po, good afternoon. Also with us here is the President of Piche Batangas, Engineer Albert Samuel. So before we formally start the event, I believe we have prepared audiovisual presentations that will help us to know sino ba ang Piche UAE, sino din ba si Piche Batangas for the students here today with us. So let's watch the video presentations first.
Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers
Batangas chapter is home to the chemical engineers of the province of Batangas. Since established in 1998, Piche Batangas chapter has become one of the constantly growing chemical engineering chapters. It is also an affiliate of Piche and a certified continuing professional development or CPD provider. As a steadfast organization for 22 years, Piche Batangas chapter continues to be the training ground of chemical engineers in pursuit of advancement.
For 22 years, the chapter has spearheaded various activities and projects that benefit not just the society, but also other chemical engineers in terms of their professional development. Aside from the participation in the National Convention, Piche Batangas chapter as a recognized CPD provider also gives an arena for chemical engineers to remain competitive in their industries by pursuing continuing professional education and development. The chapter provides these seminars within its annual activity, Batangas Chemical Engineers Symposium, also called batches. In terms of individual achievements, Piche Batangas chapter is also home to some ASEAN engineers and associate ASEAN engineers. Other members are accomplished industry practitioners and professionals in their chosen fields. As an organization that is committed to collide like atoms, move like electrons, share like bonds, and grow like crystals, Piche Batangas chapter continuously traverses the future with great aspirations. Each year, they constantly increase their members and consequently add another page to its history. Along with this, the improvements and advancements were developed in order to meet the demands and keep up with the flow of technology. On June 20, 2019, Piche Batangas chapter officially launched its database for members and other engineers who are interested in the benefits of becoming an active member of the organization. Through this database, the members can now access their own files, view their membership status, and give comments and suggestions for improvements. The organization is set to conduct bigger projects and reach greater destinations, not just as a local chemical engineering chapter, but also as universal chemical engineers of the future.
As the organization continues to traverse yet another fiscal year, the chapter will greatly welcome chemical engineers within Batangas province to be part of this great triumph. So all chemical engineers within the province of Batangas, take part in the training ground for chemical engineering industries, collaborate with other chemical engineers, enhance your skills and boost your knowledge through advancement of engineering registries, and be a proud member of Piche Batangas chapter. For our endeavor to be realized, we need you.
And so we have seen how the two chapters were formed and now work together for this endeavor. So to start, let us have welcome remarks and siguro po a little bit overview of this donation drive from the current president of Piche UAE chapter, Engineer Florencio Lopez.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I am really glad that on behalf of Piche UAE, in cooperation with Piche Batangas, we are gathered here virtually today for a good cause. These two chapters actually are really close to my heart. Piche Batangas chapter is my first Piche chapter before I moved to Piche UAE chapter. I have a share of my own story on how I got my Paris Chemical Engineering Handbook. During that time, I was receiving a daily allowance of 350 pesos during my OJT in JG Summit. I planned to use it to buy the handbook, but unfortunately, I lost my wallet after receiving my monthly allowance few days before the day that I need to pay the handbook. It was one of the saddest moments of my student life. Hence, I need to save more and cut my other expenses to compensate for the loss. And eventually, I was able to buy my handbook one semester after that incident. So that's why this is one of the reasons why I fully support this undertaking of Pitsa UAE. Dahil alam ko, personally, ang pakiramdam na nag-iisip para makabili ng handbook. And from our time to this time, almost more than double na ang presyo ng handbook. And the students here today, we really want them to succeed, to help them succeed and pursue their dream as chemical engineers. That's why PCA UAE really put this as one of the top priority, especially now that we moved the handbook drive from September to earlier months to coincide with the opening of the semester. And you are here as the chosen ones, the deserving students who are recipients of this year's PCA UAE handbook donation drive. To our dear students here, learn whatever useful from it. Make this event as inspiration to aspire to become a successful chemical engineer. But please learn also to pay it forward. Again, on behalf of Pizza UAE, a million thanks to everyone who in one way or another made this event possible. Mabuhay ang pizza.
Thank you, Sir Flo. Thank you po for choosing Pitche Batangas as your partner for this year's drive. And we would like to we would like to acknowledge also the presence of Pitche Batangas advisor, Engineer Reggie Magnaye. Yan. Hi, sir. Good afternoon po. And to continue, so let us hear also a few words from the Pitche Batangas president, Engineer Albert Samuela. Hi, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. I reckon you see me and can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay, so I believe right now in UAE, it's what? Mga 2 o'clock ba, Flor? Mga 2 o'clock, no? Roughly.
Yeah, 1:18 p.m.
Okay, okay. So good afternoon. And again, also would like to greet Engineer Dennis Pagod, Picha National Executive Vice President, and also Engineer Reggie Magnaye, our Picha Batangas Chapter Advisor, and also one of the pioneers of chemical engineering of Batangas State University, members of Piche UAE and Piche Batangas chapters, and the students who were selected to become recipients of Piche UAE's Paris Handbook. So this early, I would like to thank Piche UAE on behalf of Piche Batangas and the recipients of the Paris Handbook for this project. And this continues to inspire us. Now, we as Piche Batangas, this also inspire us to do similar projects in the future, like giving back to the profession and also donation for the students. So we really appreciate it. For the many years, I've considered Piche UAE and Piche Batangas as para bang magkapatid or magkapinsan na chapters kasi I've worked with many of you, some of you in providing inputs to Batangas State University curriculum review, as consultants from the industry, and then some of you have been our speakers in our CPD webinars in the past, no. So I think we're very much connected, and I know that Flor, your president, is also has its roots from his roots from Batangas. So we're fortunate for that. That's why maybe we're selected as well as a partner, and you, the students, as beneficiary of this project. So again, thank you very much. May this also inspire the students that when you get to this stage in your career, no, maybe when you graduate, hopefully when you have passed the board exam and you are already working in the industry, this event you will remember, so that this inspires you, to give back, always give back and pay it forward, to the profession where you owe your career and maybe your livelihood in the future. All right. So again, thank you very much, and thank you to Piche UAE.
Ayan. So thank you for those kind words, Engineer Albert. So um today, no, last Friday, I have received the handbook na po here in Batangas State University. So it was delivered via LBC, and it's currently in the faculty room na ng department. And I am not yet opening the boxes kasi parang I wanted that experience to be shared with the students when they claim their newly minted new handbooks. Yan. So I guess we have here short message from the students. I think po we can proceed na to the awarding of the handbook, though virtually lang. And I don't have the physical copy here kasi hindi ko pa na-open yung boxes. So it was 2 boxes, 3 books each. Yan. So I guess we can proceed, Sir Albert, Sir Flo, to the awarding. So we have here the 6 students who were chosen, and they submitted also a narrative uh, telling their story. And I think we have told them to prepare short message lang naman. Who are they? What year are they na? And short message to both the chapters. So let's hear first from Lori Ann Manigbas Alferez.
Good afternoon po, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity po to thank each and everyone behind this donation drive. First, gusto ko pong mag-thank you sa Picha Batangas. Your support means so much to us po. You have given us countless opportunities and resources that are shaping our futures. It's because of organizations like Picha Batangas that we as aspiring chemical engineers can dream bigger and work towards our dreams with confidence. So your dedication is truly inspiring, and we are really grateful for everything that you do. Second, to the Piche UAE chapter, your generosity is very much appreciated. Your donation goes beyond just giving this book. It's a really nice gesture that shows your commitment to our education and also to our future, and we are touched by your kindness po. Third, I would like to thank Engineer RMA G. Ilagan po. I want to personally thank you po for all the effort you have put into making this possible, your hard work, your leadership, and also your commitment to Picha Batangas, and for helping students like us po is very evident and very remarkable. Thank you po for believing in us and for facilitating this wonderful opportunity. I also want to take a moment po to thank the Lord for His blessing and guidance. Without Him po, I don't think everything of this would be possible. I promise to make the most out of this Paris handbook po. I will work hard. I will try my best to pass really the examinations through this handbook. Thank you once again po for Piche Batangas, Piche UAE chapter, and to Engineer RMA G. Ilagan. God bless us all po.
Thank you, Lori. So next we have John Ray reading lesson. John Ray. Parang na-disconnect ata si John Ray. Balikan na lang natin later, I guess. So, we have... Yes, ayan. Yes. Okay.
Sorry po, ma'am. Ang sabi ko lang po ay salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Piche Batangas. Especially Ma'am Ira po dahil sa sa donation drive po ng Paris Handbook. And sa bumubuo din po ng Piche UAE dahil sa tulong nila ay ang malaking bagay talaga ang para sa aming mga KMEng student dahil lang for the exam talaga yung and dahil lumaki naman po sa hindi naman gaano pong pamilya, malaking bagay po at laking tipid po na magkakaroon po ako na isa po ako sa beneficiary po ng Paris Handbook. And ang sabi ko lang po ay thank you so much po sa lahat po.
Thank you, John Ray. So, next we have Phoebe Kailin Malinyawe.
Yes po. Am I audible po? Good day, everyone. I am Phoebe Kailinti Malinyawe, an incoming fourth-year chemical engineering student in Batangas State University, and I am deeply honored and grateful to be given a chance to speak today and express my gratitude. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Piche UAE and Batangas and all of the people involved in this initiative for providing me with this Paris Chemical Engineering Handbook, because as an aspiring chemical engineer, this handbook is an invaluable resource that will significantly aid me in my studies and future endeavors. Growing up as a child of a single mother, financial challenges have always been a part of our journey, and receiving this handbook is not just a gift, but it is a significant support that eases our financial problem. This is also not just a simple thing, but it is a tremendous help that will enable me to pursue the path that I'm currently on with greater confidence and resources. So for the past 3 years of my journey as a chemical engineering student, I have managed my journey to survive my journey by borrowing handbooks from those who had them available, and receiving my own handbook is truly a great thing and a big help to me. So when I received the message that I was the one of the chosen recipients of this handbook, I was overwhelmed with joy and gratitude, and it is a great honor, and I am profoundly grateful for this opportunity. Once again, thank you for giving me the chance to have my own handbook, and thank you once again, Piche UAE and Piche Batangas, and also Engineer Ira Ilagan, for your generosity and for believing in my potential. Your support means the world to me and will have a lasting impact in my academic and professional journey. Once again, thank you everyone, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Phoebe. So next, let us hear it from James Vincent Rivera.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am James Vincent A. Rivera, an incoming fourth-year BS Chemical Engineering student at Batangas State University, Alangilan. I want to take this opportunity to give my thanks to Piche UAE for their generosity and donation of this handbook, to Piche Batangas and their generous efforts in organizing this event, to my family for their unwavering and unconditional love and support, to my colleagues and friends, and last but not the least, to our Almighty God for His benevolence and love. This donation drive will surely help me in fueling and reaching my dreams. That would be all, and thank you so much to everyone.
So,
Ira, you're on mute.
Ay, sorry. Baliktad pala. So, thank you, James Vincent. So, now let's hear it from Aaron Marticatoria.
Hello po. Di ba na po ako, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
So, hello po everyone. I am Aaron Mark Bidicatoria, an incoming third-year student sa BSU Alangilan campus, an aspiring chemical engineer student na magiging chemical engineer in the future pagkatapos ng boys po. So, stay at home po ako ngayon sa bahay dahil bakasyon nga po. Tapos, nag-aaral din po ako ng konti para sana po mapasa yung susunod na semester dahil po may Hemaka at Solid Thermodynamics. Also, para na din po sa JLSS na gaganapin po sa end of the month. So, I would like to thank the benevolent Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers, both Batangas and UAE chapters dahil nabigyan po ako ng opportunity na maging beneficiary at makatanggap ng berries mula sa kanila po. Malaking bagay na po sa akin at sa pamilya ko po na makatipid na humigit kumulang na 8,100 pesos. Lalo na po sa sitwasyon namin na kinakaharap po. No, nawalan po ng trabaho yung father ko po dun sa Yakult po noong grade 10 po ako. And currently po, sinusustentan po nila yung pamumuhay namin. But kung isasama po yung rent, food, apartment, tapos yung gastusin din po dito sa bahay namin sa Santa Tomas, I don't think na madali pong makukuha yung 8,100 ganun kabilis po. So, nagbalak po sila na mag-loan ng 25,000 mula sa Pag-ibig po para, po, masustentuhan po itong handbook po. So, no malaman ko po na may ganito po, tapos in-invite po ako ni Ken mula kay Ma'am Ira po. I tried to explain and nakakuha din po naman ng award. So, very thankful po ako na na nakuha ko po itong opportunity na to and sana po in the future po I can give back po dahil sa opportunity na makuha ng Paris, isang malaking resource na magbalik po sa Pitche and ayun po, thank you po ulit dito sa opportunity to. Lalo na po kay Ma'am Ira po, kahit na late po ako ng pagsusunod. Ayun na po.
Thank you, Aaron Mark. So we have here the last but not the least. So the sixth recipient from Batangas State University, Evander Rahil. So Evan, are you here pa? Evan? Parang he's trying to speak, pero parang wala.
Sorry po, nagkakaroon po ng technical difficulties po. Okay na po. Good evening po. My name is Evander C. Rahil and I am currently a student pursuing a degree in chemical engineering at Batangas State University po. I am deeply honored po to have been chosen as the beneficiary of Paris Handbook po. We all know naman po na napakahalaga ng librong ito sa ating field. This invaluable resource po is not just a book to me. It represents a gateway to deeper understanding, a tool that will undoubtedly shape my academic journey and my future in profound ways. Dati po, tuwing pong may mga major exams, lagi po akong namamroblema kung saan po heharam ng Paris Handbook. And dahil wala nga po ako Paris Handbook, hindi pa po ako ganun ka pamilya sa paggamit ng Paris Handbook po. Katulad po nung kung saan at paano po hahanap ng mga values po. But since I am one of your beneficiary po ay maibsan na po itong mga problema ko sa pag-aaral. And that's why po I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude po to Pitche UAE chapter and Pitche Batangas chapter po for your generosity and support. Your belief in my potential and your willingness to invest in my education mean more to me than words can express. This handbook will not only aid me in my studies, but will also serve as a constant reminder of the importance of generosity and mentorship in our field. Thank you po once again for this valuable gift, and I assure you po that it will be put to excellent use as I continue to pursue my goals and aspirations po in chemical engineering. Thank you po and fighting.
Ayan, so thank you everyone. So just a bit background lang po. Inopen ko po yung Google form for all students from Batangas State University BS Chemical Engineering. Pero ang naging priority ko po nun is incoming fourth year. students which do not have handbook yet. Then nung na-make sure ko po na wala ng fourth year na walang handbook because Lori and John Ray already submitted their interest to be beneficiaries of two handbooks. So, inopen ko na siya sa incoming third year. Sa third year po, incoming third year and yung third year na pa fourth year din. Ayan, so there were 9 students who applied for the program. Then initially, ang sabi po sa akin ng Sir Albert is 3, tas naging 5, then 1 will be for GGC. Pero since we do not have reply, no one replies from GGC. So, naging 6 na from Batangas State. Kaya po na-extend din na na-extend sa incoming third year, kina Evan and Aaron. So, because they are 9 students nga po, so meron pang 3 na wala. And luckily, yung mga bagong pasa po nitong May 2024 licensure examination were generous to let their Paris handbook be borrowed by students from Batangas State, and they made me the channel for that. So, bale po, for the information of everyone then, from the 9 students na nag-apply, these 6 students here that will get the new Paris handbook from Picha UAE, 2 students also already had their own second-hand handbook, which were given or which were allowed to be borrowed by those new passers. And yung isa po, waiting pa rin ako dun sa isa na nag-confirm na magbibigay daw siya. And I think there are other 2 students, so still, it keeps coming. So I guess that level of generosity siguro is innate to chemical engineering students because we know how expensive the handbook is and we know the struggle to finish what we started. Yan po. Nagiging emotional ako, arte. Anyway, so let's continue this momentous event. I guess we also want to hear some few message from Engineer Jundale Pagyo, ma'am, for some closing remarks na rin.
Yes, bali, as we conclude this Paris handbook donation drive, on behalf of Piche UAE, I would like to thank Piche Batangas for working with us on this project, especially sa selection ng mga recipients of this handbook. And gusto namin i-extend ang aming heartfelt gratitude to all the members ng Piche UAE na nag-pledge ng donation for this and participants ng aming fundraiser to make this meaningful social civic activity na generosity have been truly inspiring, especially for the students and future colleagues. We have empowered these students not just to pass this chemical engineering degree and board exam, but also to become future leaders and innovators of tomorrow. Once again, thank you for making this event a success. Together, we have made a difference that will be felt for the years to come.
Ayan. So, thank you, Engineer Jundale Pagyo. Sir Dennis, kayo po ba ay driving pa? Or you can share few words din po with us? Andyan po ba kayo? Engineer Dennis? Yes, Engineer Dennis Pagod. Sir?
Ayan. Yes, good afternoon. Yes, driving pa ako. And then, sige, short message na lang. Sige, tumabi lang ako sandali. Okay. Thank you sa group, sa grupo ni Sir Florencio Lopez from the Piche UAE chapter and Sir Albert Sabuela for this collaboration activity. And congratulations sa Piche UAE and Piche Batangas chapter and to all the recipients of the beneficiary of this Paris handbook donation drive, to all the students from Batangas State University. Congrats. Thank you.
Ayan. So, thank you, Sir Dennis. And so to formally close this event, so I would like to thank everyone for joining us today. And today's handover of handbooks from the generosity of Piche UAE to Piche Batangas, and of course to Batangas State University, it marks a significant milestone in our shared commitment to advancing professional development with our engineering community. So I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Piche UAE for this generous donation. So your support and your dedication, it exemplifies the true spirit and camaraderie and solidarity that I think binds us together as engineers. So to Piche Batangas, Sir Albert, so thank you for tapping me in this event and for considering Batangas State University for this valuable resources. So I guess this handbooks will be great asset of the students, or it can really help them pursue knowledge and excellence. So as we conclude today's program, so let us remember that this event is more than just a turnover of the Paris Handbook. So it is a testament of our collective effort in nurturing and supporting one another that transcends geographical boundaries. So let us continue to foster the spirit of collaboration and commitment in all our endeavors. So together, I think we can achieve greater things. So thank you once again for being here today. So stay safe. It's raining here in Batangas, and let us keep moving forward together. So we in behalf of Piche Batangas express our support, and we believe that this student will succeed not only because of the Paris Handbook, but because of their commitment and passion and their continuous strive for excellence. So I guess that's it for today's event. So thank you, everyone. So I am inviting you to open your camera and let's have a group photo for this momentous activity. So sana maulit pa. Yan. Hi, Sir Dennis. Yan. Hello po. Ang engineer Sunny kaya nandito pa. Sir Reggie. So if you can join us. Ryan, ikaw na.
Open na po tayo ng camera, F1.
Yan.
Okay. Mag-tignan po ako. 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay naman. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, okay na po. Thank you.
Thank you po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, Piche UAE. Thank you. Kayo ang nag-donate. Kayo talaga ang dapat pasalamatan. Thank you very much, Piche UAE.
Looking forward for more collaboration with Piche Batangas.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.